Today I'm gonna be taking you on the part 2 of how to get your free residential proxies, and then use to change your location for accessing restricted content or doing other kind of things that you wish to do. So without much ado, I'm going to go ahead and then start showing you everything. Now we need some few things for this to work, which the first one is having a browser, which can be Google Chrome or any of these browser or any browser that you have at all. And then the second, you need to have a proxy connector, which in this case I'm going to be using Super Proxy. So if you haven't watched the part 1 of this video, I will recommend you going back to the channel and then watching the part 1, as I've shown you how to get the first free proxy website or credentials, and then how to connect the details in the proxy connector, and then also how to check your newly changed location and everything. So you should do your possible best and then watch the part 1 of the video. And then also, while you are at it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the video if you find it helpful. Also, if you face any kind of issues, don't forget to write it down in the comment section. I'll be doing my possible best to attend to each and every single one of them. Now let's proceed. Now the first thing you are going to do is open your browser and then search for this over here, owlproxy, or you can just go and then type in owlproxy.com in your browser, as you can see over here. But I'll be leaving the link to it in the video description and then the pinned comment section for an easy access. Now when you get on the home page over here, this is what you are going to see, but let's not mind all this over here. What we are going to be focusing on over here is the blue button which says try web free. I want you to click on that, and then it will take you to a sign-in page. You can use any of the sign up method over here to create your account, but in this case I'm going to be using the Google method, and then I will select my account to create my free proxy account over here. Okay, my accounts have been successfully created. Let me close this and then show you how you can be able to get the free proxy. So what you are going to do is open the sidebar, and then from there look for, okay, so sorry to tell you this, but I've made a mistake. During the registration page, don't use the Google registration method, but instead use the option in which you have to fill in everything manually to be able to get this working. So sorry for that earlier. So once you are done with the registration, you are going to be shown this pop-up over here that you've been given 200 megabyte traffic pack delivered, and then also with a button over here saying that free to get with an expiration date of 24 hours. So let's click on the free to get button, and then that is going to claim that into our account. So let me refresh the page over here and then have it updated. Okay, you can see over here that it have been updated from 0 to 200 megabytes. Now if you want to get the details to be able to use in the proxy app like in the part 1, all that you have to do over here is to generate the route. Now what you are going to do over here is to select the country or region drop down, and then choose the country that you want to connect to, which in this case I'm going to be using the United States. And then from there I'll go to the route, from the route you can choose any of these three, but I'm going to be leaving it on South and North America. And then the IP rotation cycle, I'm going to select 90 minutes, and then the agreement should be on SOCKS5, and then format, leave it on the first one, and then the quantity, make it 10, or you can make it any kind of quantity that you want. So once you are done filling in everything over here, go ahead and then hit on the extract button, and then that is going to extract all the details over here for you to use in the Proxy Super Proxy application to get your Proxy connected for free. Now I want you to click on the batch copy, and then that is going to copy everything over here, and then go to your notebook or anywhere that you can save it for later use. So that is pretty much it for this video. Very simple and easy to do. So thanks for watching the video again. If you find it helpful, like the video, and if you face any kind of issues, make sure to write it down in the comment section. I'll be doing my possible best to attend to each and every single one of you. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that we can hit 2,000 followers by the end of this year or this month. Thanks for watching the video again. Have a wonderful day. Bye.